Okay, the sum is when fx equal to ax³ plus bx plus c is divided by x minus 2, x plus 1, x plus 3. The remainders are 1, 2 and 4 respectively. Find the numerical values of a, b, c and determine the values of x for which fx equal to 0. So this is the sum. Fine. First x minus 2. There are 3 divisors, right? First is x minus 2, second one is x plus 1, the third one is x plus 3. So when the divisor is x minus 2, the remainder is 1. So if x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2, right? And there is the value of 2 here in this equation. Equal to, it will be 1, not 0, because the remainder is 1, right? 8a plus 2b plus c equal to 1. This is my first equation. Second, the divisor is, second time it is x plus 1. So if the x plus 1 is 0, x equal to minus 1, right? X equal to minus 1, right? So I will place the value minus 1 once again in this equation. Then the remainder is 2. Minus 1 cube, that is minus 1. That is, so I am getting minus a minus b plus c equal to 2. Finally coming to the third one where the divisor is x plus 3. So when I am dividing by x plus 3, x equal to minus 3, right? Clear everyone? X equal to minus 3. So that minus 3 I will place here. Then my remainder is minus 4, right? So I have got 3 equations, right? So this is something new that you will learn here, that 3 equations. See, earlier in previous class also we have done with 2 variables. That is simultaneous equation. So here, but here we are getting 3 variables. Since there are 3 variables, I need 3 equations that we have got. So how to do it? From this 3, from either of these 3 equations, I will take the value of any of the variables and place in remaining 2. Let's take this one because this one actually I marked it wrong. This is not 2. This is the 2. Okay. Here. So getting the value from this 2, let's consider the second equation. From the second equation, what I am getting? A equal to C minus B minus 2. That is the value of A from the second equation. Right? I have taken A to the RHS and I have shifted 2 to the LHS. So in this way I have got the equation. Now the value of A in terms of B and C that we have got, we will place it in these 2 equations. These values will be placed in these 2 equations. Okay? So first equation will become, instead of 8a I will write, I have to log it. Anyone noting it down? If you want to take a snap, you can. Take a snap because I will be requiring it later. Take a snap of it first. Just 3 equations. Write it down in your book copy or something. Just 3 equations I need. 1, 2, 3. Because I have to log it. Okay, done. So when I'll ask it later, please tell me the equations only. You have to rub it down. You know the first equation, tell me. 8a 2b plus 2b plus c equal to 1. It was the first equation, right? Okay. So here, instead of 8a, I'll write 8 into c minus b minus 2 plus 2b plus c equal to 1. Now you multiply 8c, 8b, 16, 2b, c, 1, right? So 8c and this c, it will be 9c. 8 minus 8b plus 2b, it is becoming minus 6b. That is equal to 17, right? So we have got the fourth equation. Now placing the value of a in this equation, I'll get 27a. The third equation you have, I'm sure. In the third equation, I'll place the value a equal to c minus b minus 2. So minus 27 into c minus b minus 2 minus 3b plus c equal to minus 4. Again you multiply minus 27c plus 27b plus 54 minus 3b plus c equal to minus 2. Now minus 27c and c will be minus 26c. 27b and 3b on subtraction I'll get 24b, right? 54 I'll take to that side will be minus 58. Now you get 2 common and cancel it. Okay? Up to here it is clear. Now from this 4 and 5 number equation I'll get the value of B and C. So I'll multiply the fourth equation by 2 and this particular equation by 1. If I multiply this equation by 2, what I am getting 18c minus 12b equal to 34. If I multiply this equation, minus 13c plus 12b equal to minus 29, you add them. Cancel. What I am getting is 5c equal to 5. So c equal to 1. I got the value of c. Right? Here. Now I will place the value of c in equation number 4. Equation number 4 was what? 9c minus 6b equal to 17. C is 1. So I will place here 9 minus 6b is 17. So minus 6b will be 17 minus 9. How much it will be? So minus 6b equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. So b equal to minus 8 by 6. It's 4 by 3. Now we can take this form and check with the ABC. Let's check with the answers. If the matching or not. Okay. Let's check whether the answers are matching or not. A and B we have got 2 because B is coming in fraction. It is a bit tight. B minus 4 by 3. Now I need to find the value of A. It is possible to summarize it in one go. So since I am rubbing it over and over again, so those who are sitting with a copy and a pen, just keep noting it down. You can scroll it back. A equal to C minus B minus 2. Okay. So the value of C, what I got? 1. 1. B I got minus 4 by 3. So it will be plus then 2. So it's 4 by 3 minus 1, which is coming 1 by 3. So I got the value A, B and C. Now tell me the mother equation. Please tell me the mother equation. Ax cube plus
bx plus c.
Ax cube plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now place the value of A here. 1 by 3 plus B C was.
1.
Now you simply take the LCM. You are getting x cube minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0, right? Okay. Till here is clear. The equation finally got x cube minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now I have to find the value of x from this equation. Okay. Now this factorization can be done in two ways. Either you can go by vanishing, or else you have to do it by vanishing, or you have to do it some other way. It can be done in other way, in any way. We didn't have enough to do it. Okay, if I go by vanishing, the value of x, if I put 1, see, if I put the value x equal to 1, it's 1 minus 4 plus 3, 0. So x equal to minus 1, giving the expression, the value of the expression is coming 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 is undoubtedly a factor of this. Now the highest power of x is here 3. So I'll write x minus 1 3 times. Now it's x cube. I'll put, here is x, I have to get x cube. So I'll multiply by x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 1 is minus x square, which is not there here. So I have to remove it. So I'll multiply here by plus x. I have to keep balancing it so that nothing extra will prevail here. So x square plus x square minus x getting cancelled. See, here is x square. So there won't be any x square. Now x into minus 1, that is minus x. I need minus 4x. So I need more minus 3x. So I'll multiply this factor by minus 3. I get minus 3x plus 3. Now, this line is of no use. From this line, x minus 1 I can take common. And I am left with x square plus x minus 3. All will be equal to 0. Now, here is the trick. Since we have covered quadratic equation, so we know that if the power is 3, the maximum power in this expression is 3, so there are 3 values of x, right? Total 3 values of x. Now out of the 3 values, 1 we have got here, that is x equal to 1, right? What about the remaining 2? Now this is a part that cannot be factorized, not even by middle term. So what can be done? There is Siddharacharya formula. You can directly use it, or you can make it a whole square. If you apply Siddharacharya, that you know directly. But I think whole square, making it a whole square method you don't know. So let's do it in this way. In that way, you will get to learn something new. So x square plus x minus 3. Let's start. So one factor we have got 1. Rest, the remaining 2 factors we will get from this equation. X square plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now I'll break it like this. X square plus 2 into x, I have to balance it. So how much I'll bring here? See, it is x. 2 into x. So by what should I multiply here in order to bring it to x? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, which is not there in the sum. So I have to balance it, so I have to subtract it. Right? So this part I have got x plus half whole square. And I'll shift this part to the RHS. So I'll get 1 by 4 plus 3. So it's x plus half whole square. 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. So x plus half equal to plus minus root 13 by 2, right? So x equal to plus minus root 13 by 2 minus half. So once you will consider the plus sign, next time you will consider the minus sign. There are two roots you are getting of x, and one we already got earlier, that is 1. So in this way we are getting 3 zeros or 3 factors of, or 3 values of x from this equation. Okay. So but if you want to apply the Siddharacharya directly, that also can be done. I am doing it once again for you. That is obviously easier, but actually you should know how that derivation is coming. That's why I have done the entire thing. See, it is ax squared. So a equal to 1, bx. So b is also here 1, and c equal to minus 3. Never ever ignore the sign. That is very crucial. So x equal to minus b. The formula minus b. So it's minus 1 plus minus root over of b square. This square means 1 square. Minus 4ac, that is 1 into minus 3 by 2a. So what you are getting? Minus 1 plus minus under root, it is coming 13 by, if you break it you will get like this. Exactly what you got last time, right? So in this way also you can do. This is obviously, it will save your time, but I think you should know, the concept should be clear how the derivation is coming. So that's it. Clear?